In-invite kami sa Singapore para mag-talk about family. Pero hindi perfect yung family na.
Ayan, so since nag-pinpoint ng or nag-name names tong taong to, I will name names na din when it comes to congregation. Galing ako I actually attended that church for, let's say, more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years pa nga eh. So, more than that. Kasi since 2010 to 2018, 2019. Anyways, I've decided to tawag dito to separate ways with them. Why? Kasi ah ang una ko lang napansin talaga sa kanila is they are going to mold you, they are going to train you to get married. Yun lang talaga, no? May mga activities kasi dyan for singles, pero ang highlight ng activity is to get into relationship. Pangalawa, um, marami kasing kinakasal dyan, they will feel entitled na above above the above the single individuals, no? So ako ang message ko sa mga ganitong klase ng tao, no, um, bago kayo maging entitled, no, bago nyo i-highlight yung love nyo for your husbands and wife, hindi ba ang turo sa Bible is to focus and to put your love in Christ? Paano nyo gagawin yun kung filtered? Piling-pili lang yung mga taong bibigyan nyo nun. Hindi ba dapat kapag yung love nyo na kay Christ, may compassion and grace kayo sa lahat ng klase ng tao? Pangalawa, kaya lang naman na-highlight yung kasalanan naming mga LGBT kasi kami ang bulgar. Pero small or big sin, no? Small or big sin, 'di ba? Maliit or malaking kasalanan yan, hindi lang sa LGBT. Pwedeng yan ay pag-iisip ng hindi maganda sa kapwa. Pwedeng yan ay pagpupuslit or pagnakaw ng maliliit na bagay like piso, 2 piso. That's already a sin. Kaya lang naman kami na-highlight is kami ang bulgaran. No? So, bago kayo din, no, in that congregation, bago kayo tawag dito, mag, highlight, no, ng mga ginagawang mali ng mga grupo ninyo, attendees ninyo, no, is focus your muta. Focus your muta and, lift it up to Jesus. Kasi we are all guilty sinners eh. Pero parang mas na-highlight lang yung amin. Okay, yun lang naman. I have nothing against to say about dun sa mga tinuro ng taong to online or sa interview. Pero I am against with how he delivered it and the intentions behind it. That's all. Love you guys. Love your family of Christians. Have a great day.